In this tutorial, we'll explore how to utilize the new Capture Picture feature in SimLab Composer 12.2. This feature enables you to capture images within your VR experience, allowing for dynamic interactions and immersive visual elements. We'll guide you through the process of setting up a VR camera system, capturing photos, and displaying them on models within your scene. Now let's begin. First, launch SimLab Composer and open your project. Import a 3D model of a camera and position it where you want it in the scene. Next, add a VR camera to define the viewpoint for capturing images. Then add a VR surveillance camera and attach it to the VR camera. Position the VR camera in front of the model's lens. Place the VR surveillance camera on the model's screen, adjusting its scale and position to align with the screen. This setup ensures that the VR surveillance camera captures the perspective from the VR camera through the 3D model camera. Create a plane in your scene and add an attribute with the value yes. This plane will display the captured photo. Position the plane where you want the image to appear in your scene. Open the Dynamic Training Builder within SimLab Composer. Then from the Events section, add an event to your project. For this example, use the grip pressed event to trigger the capture functionality. Then, right-click to open the search window, then type Make Node Copy into the search field, and select it from the search results, and attach it to the model that has the attribute with the value yes, which you created in the previous step. This will allow you to capture multiple photos and display them on the plane. Then, add the Get Node Location node and connect it to the copied model. This step captures the location of the copied model, allowing you to move it along the y-axis in the next steps. This helps prevent overlapping copies of models in your scene. Then, in the search window, type Add and select it from the search results. Then connect the y-axis output from the Get Node Location node to the number input of the Add node. Set the number B input to a value of 1.2. This will shift the position of each copied model to the right, avoiding overlap with other models. Then, add the Set Node Location node to your project. Connect the X and Z axis inputs to the X and Z axis outputs from the Get Node Location node. Connect the Y-axis input to the result from the Add node. This step updates the position of each copied model, ensuring they are correctly placed without overlapping. Then, add the Set Node Attribute String node to your project and attach it to the copied model. Set the attribute to match the one you created earlier and give it a value of no. This step ensures that the captured image will appear on the main model with the attribute value yes, rather than on the copied models. Then, add the Cast Scene node to your project and attach it to any model with the attribute value yes. Set the type info to 3D object. This step allows the selected model to be treated as a 3D object, because the Capture Picture node can only interact with 3D objects, so casting the scene node ensures it can properly handle the captured image. Then, add the Capture Picture node to your project. Attach the 3D object input of this node to the scene node output from the Cast Scene node you configured earlier. Attach this to the VR surveillance camera you created in previous steps. This setup allows the node to capture an image from the scene as viewed through the VR surveillance camera. Then, add the Set Node Attribute String node to your project. Attach the scene node input of this node to the 3D object output from the Capture Picture node. In the attribute name field, enter the attribute name you created earlier and set the value to no. This ensures that the captured image is associated with the main model, not the copied ones. Then, add the setNode attribute string node and attach it to the copied model. Set the attribute name to the same attribute you created earlier and give it a value of yes. Attach it to the copied model, which will become the main model, to allow it to handle multiple photos. The attribute update will enable you to capture and display more than one image within the experience. Now let's test it. If you need guidance on adding a flashlight to the camera, please refer to the existing tutorial available in the SimLab Soft Discord community in the Cookbook channel.